Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today, let's talk about something simple and peaceful, a morning routine. A morning routine is the way you start your day. It's those little moments when you wake up, stretch, and get ready. Maybe you like to drink tea or coffee. Maybe you like to read a book or listen to music. Everyone's morning is a little different, but it's always a fresh start. And today, we'll go through one morning routine together. Slowly. I'll speak clearly, and I'll repeat things to help your ears get used to the sounds. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine you're waking up. The sun is just peeking through your window. It's soft and warm. You open your eyes slowly. You feel calm. No hurry. No rush. Just a new day waiting for you. First, let's stretch. Stretching is good for your body. It wakes you up gently. You sit up in bed. You raise your arms high. Reach up to the sky. Feel your back stretch. Now, lower your arms slowly. Take a deep breath. In and out. Good. Let's do it again. Raise your arms high. Reach up to the sky. Feel your back stretch. Lower your arms slowly. Take a deep breath. In and out. Nice job. You're waking up your body step by step. Next, it's time to get out of bed. You swing your legs over the side. Your feet touch the floor. It's cool and smooth. You stand up slowly. Take your time. No need to rush. You're doing great. Now, let's walk to the bathroom. Step by step. Left foot. Right foot. You're moving gently. You reach the bathroom. Good work, friend. In the bathroom, let's wash your face. Turn on the water. It's nice and warm. Cup your hands under the tap. Feel the water. Splash it on your face. It feels refreshing. Take a cloth or towel. Pat your face dry. Softly. Gently. Let's do it again. Turn on the water. Cup your hands under the tap. Splash it on your face. Pat your face dry with the towel. Wonderful. Your face feels clean and awake. Now, let's brush your teeth. Pick up your toothbrush. Put some toothpaste on it. The paste is minty and cool. Turn on the water again. Wet the brush a little. Start brushing. Up and down. Side to side. Take your time. Brush for a minute or two. Feel the clean feeling. Rinse your mouth with water. Spit it out. Rinse the toothbrush. Put it away. Great job. Your teeth feel fresh. After that, let's go to the kitchen. Walk slowly. Left foot. Right foot. You're doing so well. In the kitchen, let's make some tea or coffee. Which do you like? Let's try tea today. Take a cup. Put a tea bag inside. Boil some water. Hear the kettle hum. Pour the hot water into the cup. Watch the tea bag steep. The color changes slowly. Add a little honey or sugar if you like. Stir it gently. The spoon makes a soft clink. Take a sip. It's warm and soothing. Let's sip again. Warm and soothing. Perfect. Your morning feels cozy now. Now, let's sit down. Find a comfortable chair. Maybe by a window. The light is soft. Hold your tea or coffee. Feel the warmth in your hands. Take another sip. Ah, so nice. You can relax here. No hurry. Just you and your drink. Let's stay here for a moment. Breathe in. Breathe out. You're doing wonderfully. Next, let's read something. Pick up a book or magazine. Open it to any page. Look at the words. Read one sentence slowly. Maybe it's about the weather. The sun is shining today. Say it with me. The sun is shining today. Good. Let's try another. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. Nice. Reading helps your mind wake up. Take your time. Read another sentence if you like. You're learning step by step. After reading, let's get dressed. Walk to your closet. Choose something simple. Maybe a soft shirt and pants. Put on the shirt. Button it up slowly. One button at a time. Now the pants. Pull them on gently. Feel comfortable. You look great. No rush. You're doing this at your own pace. Now, let's look in the mirror. Smile at yourself. You've done so much already. Waking up. Stretching. Washing your face. Brushing your teeth. Making tea. Reading. Getting dressed. You're starting your day with calm and care. Tell yourself, I'm doing well. Say it with me. I'm doing well. Good. You are. Let's add one more thing. Open a window. Feel the fresh air. Hear the sounds outside. Maybe birds. Maybe a breeze. Take a deep breath. In and out. This is your morning. Peaceful. Gentle. Yours. We've gone through a whole morning routine together. Every step was slow. Every step was clear. You listened. You followed. And you did it. I'm proud of you, friend. You're learning English the gentle way. And every time you listen, it gets a little easier. Let's do this again tomorrow. Pick another routine or story. Come back anytime. You're not alone on this journey. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.